Well, it's the same species wherever that last one was, but he looks different.
Is this a triggerfish? You guys comment below. What is this fish?
I think that's a juvenile flounder. I definitely think that's a flounder. See? Looks just like him, same markings.
Yeah, it might be a baby flounder, his eyes. Maybe. Baby flounder? Baby trigger? Yeah, I think you're right. I think it might be a baby flounder. Good morning, guys. This is the coldest I think it's been all year. It's 47 degrees, which is not that big a deal, but we are canoeing, and if we get wet, it could be a little colder. The wind chill should bring it down to probably low 40s. No big deal. I just baited up at St. Augustine Paddle Sports. We got 3 dozen shrimp. I still have a bunch of fiddler crabs. We're gonna see if we can use some of those. I kept them alive, and I'll show you how to keep them alive in another video, or I'll put a link in the description below to see how to keep them alive all week. I've had these things alive all week. Anyway, I'm picking up Nick. We're gonna load the canoe, and we're gonna go after some trout, flounder, or redfish. Those are our targets today. We'll see. Good morning, Nick.
Good morning, neighbor.
Man, beautiful sunrise. Here we go. Hopefully it pays off. Let's go. All right, just starting off on my Okuma rod, my Fish Bite Signature Series. Going with a fish finder rig. We do have an outgoing tide. Just gonna hook this guy through the horn, and we'll get started. Just using 20-pound test as a leader today. There's something tailing right towards it right now. Just got hit. Just got hit. I think I picked up. Oh, he dropped it. That was cool, man. I saw it tailing to it.
Red?
I think so. Or a trout.
Oh, damn. See that just...
Oh, getting hit. Getting hit. Fish on. Oh, no. Little black drum. We need something a little bigger, but I'm not mad at the first fish of the day. 1-0, Nick. Come on now. Oh, Nick's on.
I'm on an oyster.
Oh, you're on an oyster? Oh, that doesn't count. I mean, it is shellfish. It is shellfish. It has the word fish in it. This is a big shrimp. I'm hoping this gets picked up by redfish. I'm calling redfish on this guy. Set it right back in that hole. Oh, there you go. Nick's on. It's running. It's running like a red. Dang. There she is. Good morning. Hello.
Hey, buddy. See you next year.
Yeah. Oh, Nick's coming in. Fish number 2. All right, Nick's kicking my butt. Yeah, very nice. So I thought it was an oyster at first. All right, number 3. God, Nick, you are on fire. So they're coming through right through here. So right through here.
Where's your big daddy?
Yeah, well, we need bigger ones. Let's tell if we're on. Yeah, we're on. We got a fish on. There we go. Another black drum. Man, I'm black drumming and you're red fishing. I just can't win today. We got to bring another rod holder out here next time. Stopped to have some lunch and Nick's pole just went off crazy. Ooh, what is it? Redfish. Silverfish.
It's like not even. He's right at 16.
Nice fish, dude. Congrats. Is that redfish number 4?
Yeah.
So that's four reds for him, 2 black drum for me. Pretty much using the same stuff, so just gotta find that right little sweet spot, that perfect hole. All right, well, I'm going back to lunch. Oh God, I swear to God, this cast net, man. Why does it keep getting tangled up right here? Oh, I caught something big though. I caught a redfish. Huh, I caught a redfish in my cast net.
That's a giant mullet, dude.
Look at,
Cut bait all day.
that is a mullet. We're sitting here thinking that's a redfish.
Fucking, we got all the cut bait.
Oh my God, look at the size.
I've been wanting to throw some cut bait out there.
Holy cow,
That's good eating right there.
holy cow.
Like, that's great eating right there.
Dude,
You could fillet and pan fry that.
here, do me a favor, hold that camera for a sec. I don't know if I can even pick him up. Look at the size of this mullet I caught in my cast net. I'm looking for finger mullet, but look at the size of that mamma jamma. Oh my God, you want to keep this for real?
Yeah.
You want to cut bait? All right. Holy.
You can't even eat him, dude. That's good to fillet and pan fry.
I mean, honestly, if you're gonna eat mullet, this is the size you want to take home. Holy cow!
Yeah.
I was not expecting that. All right, so we're keeping this guy?
Oh yeah.
Well, we got dinner. This is legal. Whatever.
Shaking its head like a red.
Yep. Nick's on again. He's got the magic pole today.
I got the magic stick.
Is it ugly stick?
I know if I can catch once.
Yeah, it is another red.
I catch the baddest fish.
Well, this one's got the most spots out of all of them.
Don't believe me? Come fishing tonight. I'll show you magic. What?
That's Nick's audition for the band. There you go. Very cool. Man, what is that, number 5?
Yeah.
Redfish number 5. I missed the strike, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Nick channel. That's why I fish with Nick. He always catches fish. Oh, there's your black drum. All right. Oh, he's croaking. He's croaking, yeah. Yeah, fish on. What? That's a mullet running away from this fish I just caught. Oh, no way. Another drum. I am the drum king, man. I am the black drum king. What a thing, man. Black drum king. Okay, we're gonna throw him head first right now. There you go. There you go. Fish on. Fish on. I think he's coming over your line. Hold on. Swimming to me. Oh, it's my first red. First red of the day. Okay.
My first red. The children's novel by Kerry Cook.
That's right. It's a good book. First red. Get it back. There you go. Fish on. Fish on.
Back on. I'm recording.
Okay.
Beauty.
Catching redfish. Let's measure them up.
17.
Yep, he's a little over. He's 17 and a half. Or 17 and a quarter. Let's get him back. Get him off these oysters. That's the best. I was trying not to let him slam on the oysters.
Good job.
Ah. That was a good size hit. That's on the shrimp.
It's on a caught mullet.
Oh, that's caught mullet? Okay, cool. That could be a redfish then.
Looks like a red. Shaking like a red.
Yep. She looking like another redfish. Oh yeah. I look at that blue tail too. Dang. That's a pretty tail. Look at that thing. Yeah, cut mullet, dude. Good idea. Very pretty fish. Yeah, very nice. Like here, they're eating on all these blue crabs and fiddler crabs. You get that pigment in their tail. It's pretty nice. He found this canoe on the side of the road. This thing has got us more fish.
Yeah.
What's our fish count today?
13.
13. Eight reds.
I've caught more fish on this canoe than I have my 17-foot center console. Granted, I've had it a lot longer, but
Yeah, but even still, it's the principle. Wow. We're about to have to jump in it. We're running out of tide's coming in.
Sail, sail.